Good morning, everyone. It's Joey, JLF Ranches and Outdoors. This morning we got a CP56 CAT sheepfoot roller that we are gonna go ahead and replace the valve cover gasket on it, and we're gonna replace I call it a rocker base, but it's the base that goes between the valve cover and the head. Anyways, this one's got some cracks on it and whatnot. We're gonna go ahead and get it changed out, show y'all how to do this. This is what the new one looks like. The new one comes with a new gasket already, comes with new bolts, new harnesses for the injectors. So that's the piece we're changing out, because the old one actually has some cracks on a couple different spots where the bolts are. It's leaking through there, it's leaking from up here where the valve cover actually sets on, so I'm pretty confident the valve cover gasket itself would suffice and solve the majority of these leaks, but that is not what they want to do. So we're going to go ahead and get all of it changed out for them. So we'll get started. First things first, we're going to get the air filter housing out of the way. We're going to get the insulation off the exhaust, get it out of the way. We should be able to leave this. If not, we'll remove the exhaust mount too as well. But yeah, we're going to start by getting all that out of the way so we can open up some room. We'll probably take this top cover off, get it out of the way just to have the room. So we'll get started on it right now. Alright, now we got all the exhaust and everything out of the way. We do have a pretty good crack in that exhaust manifold. I don't know, right there. It runs all the way down to the turbo mount and on the back side. So we'll see if the customer wants to order a new exhaust manifold and gaskets and whatnot and get that changed out, but we're going to continue on with what we got. So now we need to pull all the injector lines, get them out of the way, and get this crankcase breather hose off and out of the way, and then disconnect the injector's mesquite bean. We'll disconnect these, then we'll get the valve cover off and whatnot. Pull the injector wiring, and then we'll get the rocker box out of the way. looks like the initial complaint is fixed. No more valve cover leak. So we're good on that part. Now we'll see if the customer wants to change this exhaust manifold out. All right, guys, well, now y'all know how to do the valve base and the valve cover base and the valve cover gasket on a CAT C6.6. I did get the customer to agree on ordering a new exhaust manifold for this thing. So we'll go ahead and get all that stuff looked up, get it ordered and whatnot, and we'll do another video on that one. But we're gonna leave the air filter and all that stuff off. We're just gonna seal everything up and prep it, so that way when the parts come in, we can jump right on it and won't have to tear everything back off again. But we're off to the next one, so y'all have a nice day. As always, feel free to subscribe, like, and share the content. If y'all got any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer best I can, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Have a nice day.